Let's get live. Vlogmas day 9. Whoops. And the phone's ringing. Let's get live. VIP. How's everybody doing? It's Vlogmas day 9, and I've got a few errands to run. It's Big Rich. Today I'm delivering the goods. Got to order calendars. 1,000 calendars for 2021. And I'm taking it to my customer's office out in Carrollton, Texas, which is about 30 minutes from my office. So let's ride, boys and girls. Sitting here with Pete.
Hi.
This is called Vlogmas, Pete, where you vlog every day in December.
Okay. How you doing?
Anyway.
Hello out there.
Just talking about his brother, how crazy and stupid he is, but that's okay. Joe. There's my order, dropped off, goods delivered.
Goods delivered, Mr. Red.
Pete's checking it out right there.
Look at that. Hey, look, it's me, Mr. What the hell was it?
Pete made the firefighter's calendar.
Yeah, that's right.
Wait, which one is it?
Buddy, I'm wearing the same hat.
The global thing. Yeah, probably are. I'm headed back to my office now. It's a little after 3. Central Time. Beautiful day in Dallas, Texas. I always get nervous setting my camera down to the ground and then driving away. And then having to come back real quick to pick it up. Just got to get the shot.